Welcome to my newest listing, 3336 Yozuri Drive here in the Chatterton East neighborhood of Columbus on this beautifully tree-lined street in a lovely neighborhood. We have this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, which has a partially finished basement. And let's go take a look inside and see what else this home has to offer. Welcome inside this lovely home. Let's go take a look at the family room because you're going to be impressed at how large this really is. Okay, here we are in this beautifully large family room which overlooks the backyard and back deck. And as we move around here, it actually goes right into the eating area and the kitchen, where we have this lovely kitchen with nice wood floors, beautiful cabinetry, center island. It's really a great space. And here we are in the formal dining room with a beautiful chandelier, leads directly into the formal living room. Wonderful space for people to sit around and have a great conversation. Here we are in the lovely upstairs of this wonderful home. Loft area, which can be used as a sitting room or an office. Then we have 3 large bedrooms and a full bath. Here we are in the large owner's suite. It's got a full bath, shower, walk-in closet. It's wonderful. It also has a laundry chute. Well, thank you very much for joining me on the tour of this lovely home here at 3336 Yozuri Drive. Check out our Mattersport online. Also, if you want to schedule a private showing, feel free to call me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.